forgot to talk about the one letter Z when I was talking about the Z. Z is just like re. One difference is there's a dot on top. Again, it has two forms: front connecting and back connecting. The first one, let's make an example: bazar, and tuz, salt, and the other one. This is like an alone form, right? Like alone form. Sorry, front. This is a front connecting. For front connecting, sis, you. Yıldız, root, yıldız. Yeah. So today we're going to learn. So we also learned to say she, re. So we're going to learn new one, re. Re. It's like in English. Oh, there's no. This is the 15th letter, and it doesn't exist in English. I guess it kind of look like it kind of sounds like a French re R sound, and Arabic they have re. So you just listen carefully how I pronounce. Okay, it has four different form: re, the front connecting, middle connecting, pause connecting, back connecting, alone form. Sorry again, I keep making mistakes. Okay, so re, front connecting form, back connecting. This is back connecting. This is alone form, and this is middle connecting. So for the front connecting, re, ras, goose, galip, manly, middle connecting, qilgan, like someone like did, you know, it's a verb like mangan. The road we walked, mangan, qilgan. And for the back connecting form, tir. Tir is like a blade or blade, yeah, something like that. Chir is a straw that's made with a branch, tree branches, a bamboo. Chir. And the back connect alone form, re, tar, mountain, mountain, dor, stain. So yeah, this is re. Re. I read it. Ras, ghalib, qilgan, mangan, tir, chir, tar, dor.